Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Chinese shopping app, and in today's video I'll show you on how to find legit Chinese factory using your WeChat app. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your WeChat app. After you open up your WeChat app, go ahead and proceed to discover right here. Then go ahead and click on channels. Here you go. From the channel sections right here, next thing you want to do is to go ahead. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the search icon right here from the top. So click on that. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and type in the name of the product factory you are looking for. Let's say, for instance, I'm looking for ladies shoes. Then hit on search. Then you have different results from different factory right here. So continue to scroll down from the search result right here. So this is all results right here. So continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. So you can use this method to source for a verified factory of any kind of product. The more you scroll down, the more you see different factory that produce lady shoes right here. I just want to point out how to identify some of the verified ones from the search result right here. Okay, let's take a look at another product. Let's say we are looking for men's shoes. Men's shoes. Hit on search. Then we have the result right here. So continue to scroll down. So this is all results in the men's shoes sections. Let's say I'm looking for ladies bag. Hit on search. In a few seconds, we have the very result. So here we can scroll down, continue to scroll down. Very good. So here we go. We have one that is verified right here. Verified ones are not many. So you just need to make sure you identify them based on your search result. These are another one right here. Another one right here. These are all verified stuff. You can scroll down. This is another one right here. So once you click, what you need to do is to simply click on their link. So once you click on their link, it takes you to their post right here. And let's go back and check on another one right here. So just continue to scroll down, and then that will give you some of the verified factory of that particular product. Okay. So the more you scroll down, the more you. So here we can sort out by different options like account, live stream product. So if you want to sort out by account, so select on account, then you see their live account right here. So this will make it more easy to scroll up and down. Then from their account section, you'll be able to see if they are verified or they are not verified. These are all factory under the ladies bag that have accounts on WeChat channel. So the more you scroll down, the more account is going to load up right here. Okay, you need to scroll down. Also filter by their live stream. So if there is any factory on live stream, you see the results under the live stream sections right here. So these are factory that are doing live stream right here. So if you want to check on their page, what you need to do is to simply go ahead and click on their name. Let's say, for instance, this one right here, we click on it. Then you are on their page right here. So scroll down and check on what they are doing. So you can see, so these are the kind of product this particular store is doing. So for you to check if they are actually verified, click on show more. So here you see that this one here has no verification badge. Okay, so let's simply go back to our main search result. So I'm going to search for ladies bag again. So under the all, so we have all sections right here. Okay, now let's take a look at this one that have this badge. Then you see that there is a difference between the one that are verified and the one that are not verified. Now I'm going to go ahead now and click, and I'm going to go ahead now and click on their company name, their factory name. Here you go. Now you see that this one here, it's road verification. It's that simple. So this is how to find a verified factory on your WeChat without any stress. For more tutorials, tips and tricks on how to ship and shop from China, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.